now speaks to a key maker in Bandra area in Mumbai where Sushant Singh Rajput used to stay. The key maker claims that many people have been asking him and others in the area about who opened Sushant's door with a duplicate key the day he died. And then he also says that there should be a diary entry at the gate of the apartment. Listen in. So the key maker says there should be a diary entry as to who was the person who went there with other individuals at Sushant's apartment to open the door, the one who went there with a duplicate key. And he also, in a way, is hinting that it's not so difficult to find that one person. Listen in.
सुशांत सिंह राजपूत के घर पे कोई गया था, कोई आइडिया आपके?
मुझे मालूम नहीं कौन गया था और जिस दिन हुआ था मैं शॉप पे था, भी 3 बजे के बाद आया, संडे का दिन था।
और कोई होगा ऐसा एरिया में
इंक्वायरी करके बैठे, आपसे पहले फोन से नहीं मिला। अब जहाँ जाएंगे नदी रोड पे 3-4 की मेकर है, अब वहाँ पे जाएंगे तो वहाँ पे ऑलरेडी सब कुछ पूछ के रखते हैं, क्योंकि एक दूसरे कॉल है ना हमें, भाई तुम्हारे पास आए थे न्यूज वाले, हाँ मेरे पास 3-4 लोग आए थे। मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा पंडा कि अभी नहीं होगा, कैमरे होंगे, हम लोग जाते की बनाने के लिए हम लोग एंट्री करते हैं, बुक तो नाम, मोबाइल नंबर, एड्रेस सब डालते हैं। सीसीटीवी कैमरा, मान लीजिए सीसीटीवी कैमरा बंद है तो किसी ने अगर गया हो तो एंट्री तो क्या होगा ना बुक पे, उसमें तो होगा ना, उसका नाम होगा, एड्रेस होगा, मोबाइल नंबर होगा।
ठीक है, ठीक है।
Let's go across to my colleague Kajal, also a Mumbai bureau chief, joining us with more details. You spoke to the key maker. He says it's not that difficult to track down the man who must have made the duplicate key to open the door. Since a diary entry is mandatory, it is made at the gate. Similarly, the diary entry must have been there for other people who may have visited Sushant Singh's house.
Yes, of course. The police is said to have actually spoken to this, but to the actual key maker who must have gone there, the Mumbai police. But yesterday, the Bihar police wanted to get details of this key maker. We are being told that those details have not yet been shared between the two police forces, and the Bihar police is also on the lookout for this particular key maker to try and find out what exactly has happened. But they haven't been able to contact him yet, and they have been trying to find him. Yes, the diary entry is something important, and perhaps the Mumbai police would know, because they would have taken all these things into custody and they would have taken this on record, because initially they were the ones that were deconstructing the last 48 hours of his life.
Absolutely. Kajal, stay on with us. We have one more breaking input coming in on the broadcast. We're being told that Siddharth Pithani, Sushant Singh Rajput's friend, is likely to be summoned by the Bihar police. Sushant's roommate, in fact, is going to be summoned. That's the update coming in. Let's go back to Kajal, who continues to be with us. Kajal, the Bihar police already has spoken to other friends of Sushant Singh Rajput. We are being told that Siddharth Pithani, who is also Sushant's roommate, will be questioned. That's likely?
Yes, in fact, yesterday and day before, most of the day that the Bihar police spent was in trying to track down people who were with Sushant Singh Rajput in the last 2 days of his life, and they did speak to some of the house help and some of the staff, and Siddharth Pithani, of course, was there when the incident happened, and that is why they want to piece together what exactly happened, the sequence of events, and that's why they are going to be summoning him. Interestingly, he's in Hyderabad, so one doesn't know if a Bihar police team is going to go there or he's going to be asked to come to Mumbai or Patna.
Right. Kajal, thank you very much for the moment for joining us with those details.